Hey, welcome back to Styrene Relics. Yep, thought I'd use that banner again. Kind of cool. The kids got me that on Father's Day, so gotta use it, man. All right, let's get busy. I got some stuff I want to show you. All right, so on my what I get for on Wednesday, my Wednesdays, what did I buy or what did I get? I got this kit. And man, the box is really crisp and nice on it. This has been sitting on the shelf for many years, and thought I'd show you guys. I'm sure you've seen this kit before. So crack this baby open. Pretty sweet. I mean, it's not hurt at all. I don't see any tire marks on it where it's been sitting anywhere on it. It's not warped. It's a nice cream color. It's going to be easy to work with because it'll get built. I can tell you that right now. So the bottom is really nice. Instructions, they're there. The chrome tree, look at that chrome tree. Wow. Custom grills, custom fender skirts. Love that bumper. Chrome is in really nice shape on this one. So, yeah, I like this very much. Very cool. Looks like I say, everything's there. Roll cage, roll pan, wheels, engine. Yeah, these old Joe Hahn kits are pretty cool. The glass is even good. Looks like I got a little smudge right there. I'm going to have to maybe buff it out or something, but it's on the back glass, so that's good. Looks like all the red taillight stuff is there, which is good. The dashboard is there, and it looks pretty good. So, yeah, I'm really happy for this one, guys. This is one that was sitting on my brother's shelf for many years. I knew it was there, and so I brought it home for sure. And so yeah, this one will get built someday. Probably not the customized version of it, but it will get built. And I got something else I want to show you. Let me set this over here. Okay. Right there. When Lewinsky may testify on sex with Clinton. Oh, that's not what I wanted to show you. I thought that was pretty good when I grabbed this. I got 4 hubcaps I want to show you guys. Well, I'm just going to show you one. I'm not going to unwrap all of them. But let me get this newspaper out of here. All right. Right there's the part number for the hubcap. As you can see, I'm showing you the back because I want to get some stuff. It's not dented. It's not smashed up or anything. And the front, I've got Lancer hubcaps. Let me do this. They're not drilled out, dented, smashed up, or nothing, man. These bad boys are sweet. I know these were going to go on his 53 when he got it finished. That's a story in itself that I'm not going to get into. A lot of bad blood on that. So, anyways, yeah, got a set of 53 or 57, what is it, 56, 57? Yeah, Lancer hubcaps. So, yeah, I guess they're going to be wall art. I've got 14-inch rims for them. The old 14-inch wheels didn't flex, so you know, you didn't lose your hubcaps. I've got a good set of those kicking around yet, but I'm not going to use them on my 60. I've got a set of wheels that I want to keep on it. So anyways, I guess these are going to be wall art. There's some of you guys out there that will dig these. Not everybody gets into hubcaps, but these are kind of special. So anyways, that's all I got for What'd You Get on Wednesday. Just thought I'd show it out, show this off. It's kind of cool. So that's what I got, guys. I'll have a final for you here real quick. I believe in the next day or two. And I got to get my psychedelic 60s caught up and finished up. I'll show you that one too. So that's all. I got some finals coming, guys. I really do. I've been trying to get some work done. So, okay, that's it. I'll talk at you guys later. Bye.